Hey guys, welcome. I'm Terrence Bonner, a licensed massage therapist and esthetician, and I'm super excited to introduce you to the Atta Cosmetics Applicator tool. What I love about this versatile applicator is that you can use it so many different ways.
Let's go over features of the applicator. Every surface was intentionally designed to serve a different purpose, allowing you to adapt your pressure, technique, and treatment area throughout the session with just one tool. Let's start with the finger rest. By placing your thumb or pointer finger in the divot here, you gain greater control of the tool, allowing for more precise movement while reducing hand and wrist fatigue throughout the treatment. Next, the rounded belly is ergonomic by design, and it's the part that comes in contact with the skin the most. This is ideal for spreading product, lymphatic drainage, warming the tissue, and long gliding strokes. You can use it on the face, neck, chest, arms, and legs, really the full body to create a smooth movement and a nice experience for the client. The apex offers precise targeting for soft and deep tissue techniques. This area works beautifully for trigger points, TMJ work, the occipital ridge, palms, feet, and other areas requiring focused pressure. It also aids in product application. The ridge provides more focused pressure and a deeper massage experience. It's excellent for fascial work, jawline sculpting, upper trapezius, forearms, calves, and areas that benefit from greater tissue engagement. The handle, it allows therapists to comfortably glide across larger treatment areas while reducing strain on their own hands and wrists. It works well for the neck, shoulders, back, and extremities and can also be used for gentle scraping techniques. When using the handle, you'll grip the top part of the tool we just reviewed, which you'll find fits well in the hand to get a good grip and you use the handle. And there's the base. It's ideal for sustained pressure techniques, reflexology points, and acupressure work. It can be used on the hands, feet, scalp, and throughout the body to address areas of tension. Lastly, the lip. It delivers gentle, controlled pressure and is especially effective around the delicate areas such as the eyes, mouth, sinuses, and smaller fascial muscles. As you can see, the applicator was designed to give therapists multiple treatment options within one tool, allowing you to transition from one broad, relaxing stroke to targeted pressure while enhancing your work and ultimately preserving the strain on your own body. The tool also can be manipulated while maintaining contact with the body for that enhanced customer experience.
Another added benefit that I love with the applicator tool during the ergonomics part of the massage or facial is that the benefit of the weight of the applicator. So when you're coming in, so of course us coming in with our hands is amazing, but you want to add that extra experience, and that's where the applicator tool comes in at. And again, that added benefit of the weight of it, there's no stress that I'm having to, extra stress that I'm having to use with my body. A lot of times when we're doing a lot of body work or just as estheticians, we do have to worry about our ergonomics of our back, of our legs, and we want to make sure that that's always a priority. And so that's another benefit that I love with the applicator tool is that I'm able to not have to put too much stress on my body, and I'm able to lean into the tool itself to get that benefit for myself as well as the client. So the applicator tool, it mimics the jade stone or the gua sha, And again, what I love about this is the versatility of this. So the same benefits that you may get with something else that you're using, the added benefit of the weight of the applicator, the versatility of it, the different size of it. So again, that lymphatic drainage that you may want to do, that TMJ treatment that you want to do, you're able to do that with the applicator. The applicator feel for me in my hands, it feels very natural. The weight of the applicator actually helps with the ergonomics. It helps with my wrist as well. So it feels natural. You have the groove in the applicator, and it feels, again, just natural in my hands. And from the weight, it feels natural when you're massaging with it. So I love it. The applicator does in fact help with the strain from doing body work as a massage therapist, as well as the work from being an esthetician as well, because I'm not having to use my body as much as I would if I was just doing regular body work with my forearms, hands. So with the applicator, it takes away from me having to do so much strenuous work and harder work with just my body. For me, it was easier to get used to using the applicator because I have in the past used other tools. However, this tool is very different from other tools that I've used in the past because of the weight. And the stainless steel of the product is very easy to clean, non porous, and it's easy all the way around. And I keep going back to that groove. The groove actually helps you hold it in your hand. I think it's very intuitive. However, if you've never used a tool before, I can see where you may need additional training to help you navigate how to maneuver with certain modalities, but I think it's pretty easy for the most part. Oh my gosh. So to add value to my client's experience is the utmost thing that I want for every single one of my clients. So to be able to have a tool like this that's very versatile, anything that I decided I want to do from light work to medium work to deep work, I'm able to use the applicator and get any results that I'm looking for. The experience my clients have received so far, again, is going to be elevated and added value from the tool, whether that's relaxation, whether that's trigger point, whether that's TMJ, all of these modalities where, in addition to me using my hands, I'm able to also save my hands and my thumb as well as my body using the applicator. The weight of the tool is very unique and it adds value to not only the client but me as a therapist where I'm able to again kind of step back from me having to use my body and I'm able to again do lighter work or even deeper work with the applicator. One of the biggest benefits that professional will use or get from using a tool is longevity. You're able to save your body, you're able to save your hands, you're able to save your thumbs by using the tool and not so much relying on just your body. So just like the jade roller and the gua sha, What I do love about this is it's very versatile. It's very versatile. So just like, any other tool that may be out there, it may only have one or few benefits. With the Jade Roller, I'm able to work the full body. And that's one thing that I love about it, and not having to purchase multiple tools to do certain things. I'm able to do so many things with the applicator. I highly recommend this particular tool, the applicator, because it gives you versatility where other tools you have one or two functions that you're able to use out of it, and it saves your body. It saves your hand. I can't say that enough, because when you come into the industry, whether you're an esthetician or massage therapist, whether you're a cosmetologist, if you're in the beauty industry, you want longevity. We've gone to school, we've paid our money, whether it was financial aid, whether we paid out of our pocket, we want to get the return on the investment. And this one tool can help your career and have the longevity by helping save your body, saving your hands, saving your thumbs, so that you can be in the industry as long as you want to be. There's definitely upsell availability by using the tool. You get to firsthand see how it feels. And not only that, if you decide that you may want to wholesale the tool, you're able to do that as well. So that is an option as well, where you're able to maybe sell it to your clients if they wanted to do some things at home, or whatever you decide that you want. So if you are a spa, if you're a manager of a spa, if you're an owner and you want to, again, have a different retail option, then you do have that option. You should have an applicator.